Introducing the Ultra Smooth Package by Manscaped, an easy to follow 3-step system to buff, protect, and smooth your sensitive areas down there. Step 1. Jump right into the shower and apply the crop exfoliator. Use this 3 to 4 times per week to exfoliate the area and preemptively help reduce ingrown hairs to help your groin feeling smooth and fresh. Step 2. The crop gel. Apply this unique clear shaving gel to the area to prep for a close shave, and because the gel is clear, you can actually see what you're shaving. Step 3. Get close and comfortable with the new crop shaver. This perfectly engineered groin shaver has 3 precision blades with extra wide lubricating strips and a pivoting head for the best shave at any angle. The strips are also lubricated with avocado oil, aloe vera, vitamin E, and argan oil for the ultimate protection. All these products are vegan and free of sulfates and parabens. Also included in the Ultra Smooth package, you get 6 replacement blades for your crop shaver groin razor. Plus, when you join the Manscaped Peak Hygiene plan, you can save on replacement blades, delivered straight to your door. Also in the kit, you get this convenient little storage case for easy storage and safe travel. So for all those smooth operators out there, if you've got the balls to try something new, give Manscaped a go and check out their new Ultra Smooth package. Your balls will thank you.